Scrappy people, it's Traci Reed here today, coming at you with something very exciting. This is an unboxing of my brand new Have a Nice Day collection that is 100% free for the next year. It is huge and it is beautiful. It is so universal and you're gonna want this, and lucky for you, it's totally free. So let's talk about it. It comes in 3 different packs. One pack is available at the store at tracireed.com. Pack 2 is available at the store at sweetshopdesigns.com. Pack 3 is available via my newsletter. If you are already a newsletter subscriber, you should be getting the link in your inbox right about now. If you are not yet a subscriber, if you subscribe, and there is links to all of these in the comment section below in the description box. If you subscribe in any time in the next year, it will come to you directly to your email inbox with no problem. So I'm gonna go through set by set. So let's look at set number 1. So set number 1 is the printable memory keeping set. I mean, they're all memory keeping, but I have them divided out in certain ways. This is the one that's available at tracireed.com. There are 5 papers, 2 3x4 cards, and a whole sheet of stickers. So the papers come in both 12 by 12 and traveler's notebook size, which is 4.25 by 8.25. It comes on individual JPEG files and printable sheets. So either way, you're good to go. If you don't know how to use Photoshop or whatever, printable sheets with all of the papers and the 2 journaling cards and a separate printable sheet for the stickers. So you don't have to worry about fussing with a photo editing program if you don't know how to use one. So here are the 5 papers that are included in the part number 1. So there's this beautiful stripy paint stroke paper. This one is really fun. It has peace signs, fingers holding up the peace sign. There is a tonal orange and yellow floral. This paper has all the days of the week on it in a beautiful little stripe. And then there is a green sort of plaid paper. You can see the colors on this collection are super fun, kind of retro-y vintage, kind of perfect for spring, kind of girly, kind of not. They're really fun colors that I think are going to be pretty universal for scrapbookers and a little bit different than the normal. So here are the 2 journaling cards. With each set, there is a designer journaling card and a actual journaling card for writing on. So this one says, a good day is a good day. A bad day is a good story. At the end of the day, it's all good. And that is a quote by Glennon Doyle Melton, Glennon Doyle Wambach. I love her. And that was a great quote. Then there is the journaling card that goes with this set, and it says today's story. This whole collection is about like good times, daily documentation, good vibes, sort of a thing. So here is the sheet of stickers. You can see I've printed mine via my print and cut function on my Silhouette, but I haven't cut it out yet. So you can find a link to the video on how to do that in the description box below. How to get the printable sheet from the PNG that's included into your Silhouette program. The stickers come with Silhouette file, like a black Silhouette file that you can create cut lines from. Super easy and super fun. So you can see it has 30, I believe there's 35 or 36 stickers on this sheet. A nice little mix of journaling labels and wordy bits. And these are actually the cut lines and the individual files. They're actually rectangles with the stripes on them. So it'll just cut out in a rectangle. A little tag, some tickets. There's that peace sign again, and then some hearts. And this sheet is for die cutting, so it actually has a bleed on it. The actual fussy cutting files, which are included as well if you don't have a die cutting machine. And the individual files, if you were going to use these in Photoshop, are all about 1/8 of an inch all the way around cut in and a little bit tighter of a shape. This is also a tag, which is, you can't really see, it has this kind of top. It's a white tag, so it's kind of hard to see there. But this is set number 1. Again, this set is available via tracireed.com. It is in the store. You can pick it up right now. The next set is available at sweetshopdesigns.com, and I actually have less to show you physically for this set because it is the digital scrapbooking set. It has the digital embellishments, and I'm going to show you the papers and the card that come with it, and then I'm going to throw up the digital preview so you can see the rest. So here are the papers that are included in the collection. You can see it is the all meant to go together, so it matches the previous set. We've got a really fun star, multicolored, and then there is a teeny tiny pink heart. This set includes this beautiful floral, a orange and yellow stripe, and then this super fun plaid, which is, if you look up close, the lines are all wonky and uneven. This is probably my favorite pattern in the whole set. I love it to death. And then here are the cards that are included in this collection. This is the sort of theme that inspired the whole collection. You know those bags that say, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, have a nice day? So that was kind of what inspired this whole collection. So my take on it is hooray, 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 hooray. It was a nice day. I love that. And then the journaling card is a beautiful pink floral that's included in the next set, plus some journaling lines. So I'm going to throw up the digital kit so you can see the rest of it. There are 25 embellishments in the digital collection, and also 3 alphabets because I just don't know when to stop. There are embellishments that are typical of digital scrapbooking, like flowers and a leaf and ribbons and flare. There are folded hearts, folded paper hearts. There are those 2 great titles that say Good Vibes and Fave Photo. And then there are 2 different frames. One has that cute scalloped edge with the stripe. The other one has, it's actually like a photo strip frame, but it has one part taken out that says happy, happy, happy instead of a photo placement. And then there's a journaling block. There's a couple of word banners, and there's a glitter star confetti and 2 paint blotches, pattern paint sort of things to go in this collection. It's a cute little mini. It's a big little mini. It has 3 full alphas, you guys. It's a big mini. But there's a lot of embellishments in this kit that you can actually print and cut to, including the alphas, the Hooray for Today banner, the It's a Good Day for a Good Day banner, the titles, the frames. They all would make great cuttables if that is the type of scrapbooking that you're into. So that is the part 2 of this collection, and it is available at sweetshopdesigns.com right now, completely free. Again, there are links in the description box below so that you can find all of these pieces very easily. The third portion of this collection is available via newsletter at tracireed.com. It'll come directly to your inbox if you are not already signed up. If you are already signed up, you should have this email either now or shortly with a link to this collection. So let's take a look at it. This collection, the part 3, includes the planner stickers. Let's look at those first. So these are intended for use in, they're perfectly sized for a happy planner, a classic happy planner, but I mean, you can totally use all of these in memory keeping as well. So if you are not a planner, no big deal. They are just lovely quote boxes and word bits and journaling blocks that are perfect for memory keeping too. So there are, I believe, 30 stickers on this sheet. And there's a good mix of journaling blocks and word bits and pattern blocks for the planner in all of us or the memory keeper in all of us. I tried to keep it all pretty neutral as far as the quotes so that it wasn't just like screaming planning, although there are some planning things down here that are specifically for planning, but they would work in memory keeping as well. My favorite sticker on this sheet is probably this one right here. It says, "Have a nice day," and it says, "Don't tell me what to do." If this doesn't embody my attitude, I don't know what does. But there's "Today I choose happiness." There's "Nothing but good days ahead." "What a lovely day." "Hooray." "Good morning, beautiful." "Wake up and hit the ground running." There are some little checkbox banner things, some labels. Again, this has the bleed on it for die cutting, so they are a little bit bigger than what you actually have if you choose the fussy cutting file and the individual files, because there's room for the die cutting machine to have a little give around the outside edges of these. The papers that are included in this collection include that really beautiful pink floral with the orange flowers. I love these just retro enough vibe of this collection. Not like straight up screaming 1965, but just vintage and retro enough. Orange with plus signs on it. This super cute heart pattern. Then there is another star pattern. This one is green, that beautiful sort of sage green. And then the stripe, the rainbow stripe that just had to be included, is part of this collection as well. So this is part 3. Here are the 2 cards that are included in this collection. "It's a good day to have a good day." And then the journaling card has those cute stars in the background, and it is a circle, like an oval journaling card with some lines on it to guide your journaling. So that is the entire Have a Nice Day collection. There are, in total, there are 15 papers. Again, they come in 12 by 12 and traveler's notebook size. There are 6 3 by 4 journaling cards. And remember, all of the printables come on printable sheets. If you are not computer savvy, all you have to do is hit print. And then there is a set of planner stickers and a set of memory keeping stickers, plus 25 digital embellishments and 3 complete alphas in the digital kit. So again, 100% free. My gift to you for 2020, I think we could all have a nice day about right now with all of the craziness going on in the world. I'm gonna inject a little bit of sunshine into our community, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love it. All the links are below so you can pick up all of the pieces. Again, this will be for all of 2020, and it will probably refresh next year with a whole new theme, a whole new vibe. So if you are watching this in 2020, there's still time. You can go grab it. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, if you love this collection, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you. If you don't already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Traci M. Reed, and share this with your scrappy friends. I'd love more people to take the plunge, jump into printables, and I think a entirely free collection is a really easy way to do that. All right, thank you.